I went to use my Echo the other day, and I started priming it, and my finger, of course, got gas all over my finger. So I took a look at it, and it's just got a pinhole right now, but it's able to hold fuel right now. I'm able to use it, but before too long that'll split open and I won't be able to use it at all, and I'll probably be at a more inconvenient time. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. I thought we could do this by removing these Phillips right here, but this one's going to be difficult since this is in the way right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove this cover. It's easy enough. Just turn your device over, just turn your Echo over like this, because if you don't, this filter right here might just fall right off onto the ground. So luckily mine stayed up into the cover itself. For this part, you're gonna need a T25, and we're just gonna back these out a little bit. We're not gonna take these all the way out. I'm pretty sure that once we get this loosened up, that we can remove this screw. See how the carburetor starts? There we go, just like that, just enough to where we can get to that screw. So we're gonna do that. So I had gone to Lowe's for something the other day, so I thought I'd check on these primer bulbs. I didn't need it right away. And the primer bulbs at Lowe's come in a package of 3. All 3 are different sizes. And for the 3 at Lowe's, it was going to cost $12.50. Since I didn't need the 3 different sizes, I went on to Amazon and I found 4 of the size that I needed, and cost what was it, like $6 for 4 of the correct size. So all I did was search up Echo SRM 225 primer bulbs, and a package of 4 for $6 came up. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Let's check that out. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see it's starting to split pretty good. Go ahead and replace that. So it just fits in just like that. Those edges right there slide in. I try to put too many screws in my hand, and I know I'm gonna drop one. tighten this down, and then we'll come back and tighten these up. Ooh, just enough room. We're gonna put this cover back on here and we'll prime this thing up. Well, there you go, guys. That's an easy fix. Cost us $6 for 4 of those primer bulbs. I probably won't need another one for another 4 years. I'll probably lose those other 3 before I even need another primer bulb. But if you guys, I have a video on removing the guard on this Echo. So if you have any interest in removing the guard on yours, I have a video on that. Also, I have a video on this bumper head and how to string up the bumper head. So all of those are in the same video. I'll link that or put it in the description or put it in the video right here somewhere if you guys want to check that out. I do appreciate you guys watching today. I hope you have a great day. God bless you. Have a good day.